Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about our SMA crossover Autobot. Our SMA Autobot is specifically designed to detect crossovers, traps, and consolidation patterns. With the use of bullish and bearish market trackers, we're able to calculate potential traps used by market makers to take our money. If the SMA Autobot detects a quick reversal between bullish and bearish trackers, then that signals a trap and we stay out of the market. Consolidation patterns are a little bit trickier to calculate. The SMA Autobot looks at the difference between the two SMA lines, and as the SMA lines get closer to each other, the Autobot calculates the difference of the lines from the last three bars. If the sum of the difference is less than the filter, then we stop any market entry due to consolidation. With the SMA Autobot, strategy performance is easy to use. Just right-click and go to the performance menu and check out your performance from total trades to profit per month, all on the fly. The SMA Autobot parameters are easy to use and understand, from SMA periods, entry settings, filter adjustments, to time and money management. All easy to get to and easy to change. And it's easy to turn the SMA strategy into an indicator with a simple click. No entries, just all great information given. Even changing all the colors is easy. The SMA Autobot comes with a cool utility. With the NinjaScript output screen, you can see entries and reset with a time date stamp. Pretty cool. As well as system faults. This is much easier to use than the executions menu. The SMA Autobot strategy is free to try for 30 days and comes with a comprehensive manual. Yeah. Just go to NinjaTrader.com or click on the links in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading.